And today, let us talk on a very new topic on C8 MCT oil, the new science of brain energy, weight loss, and heart health. Let me ask you a question. Why is it that today, more people than ever feel tired, unfocused, overweight, stressed, and older than their age, even when their medical tests look normal? Why are so many struggling with low energy, brain fog, stubborn belly fat, fatty liver, high blood pressure, and poor sleep, all at the same time? It is not aging. It is not genetics. It is not lack of willpower. It is a hidden energy crisis inside the body, a crisis that silently affects your brain, your weight, your heart, your liver, and your entire metabolic system. And today, I'm going to show you how one simple science-backed natural molecule, C8 MCT oil, can switch your body from energy deficiency to energy abundance, from mental fog to mental clarity, from weight gain to effortless fat burning, from inflammation to healing, from metabolic weakness to metabolic strength. If you stay with me till the end, you will understand exactly how C8 works inside the brain, inside the liver, inside the heart, and inside the fat cells, in ways that most people have never heard before. The C8 MCT oil, the new science of brain energy, weight loss, and heart health. Introduction. A new discovery in nutrition. Science today, there is a growing global interest in C8 MCT oil, also called caprylic acid, a purified form of medium-chain triglycerides. People report more energy, sharper mind, reduced hunger, weight loss, metabolic improvement, better digestion, improved sugar control. But why does C8 work so well? What makes it different from normal coconut oil or regular MCT oil? To understand this, we must start with the science of human energy production. Section 1. Brain energy. Why C8 is a game changer. 1. The brain's energy crisis after age 40. Research from Harvard, Yale, and NIH shows that as we age, brain glucose metabolism drops 10 to 15% every decade. Neurons begin to starve. Brain suffers from energy gap, resulting in slower thinking, poor memory, anxiety, irritability, brain fog, poor focus. This is called brain energy deficit syndrome. 2. The breakthrough discovery, ketones as brain superfuel. The Nobel-level discovery. When glucose fails, the brain can run exceptionally well on ketones. Ketones fuel neurons, efficiently reduce oxidative stress, increase BDNF brain growth factor, improve mitochondrial function, enhance synaptic communication. But here is the problem. Most people do not produce enough ketones naturally. 3. Enter C8 MCT oil, the most powerful ketone generator among all MCTs. Type of MCT ketone production speed notes. C8, caprylic acid, 5 stars, highest, fastest, most brain-active. C10, medium, moderate, good but not superior. C12, lauric acid, very low, slow, behaves like long-chain fat coconut oil, very low, slow. Only 6 to 8% C8 produces 3 to 4 times more ketones than normal MCT oil and 10 to 15 times more than coconut oil. This is why people feel mental clarity within 10 to 20 minutes. 4. Scientific benefits for brain. C8 ketones improve mitochondrial ATP by up to 20%, cross the blood-brain barrier immediately. Protect neurons from oxidative stress, increase brain blood flow, stabilize mood support, memory formation, help prevent neurodegeneration, complement Violet gamma, deep breathing, and meditation. This is why students, seniors, diabetics, and individuals with brain fog benefit greatly from C8. Section 2. C8 for weight loss, the metabolic science. 1. C8 increases metabolism without exercise. Research shows that C8 can increase metabolic rate by up to 18% for 3 to 4 hours after ingestion. Why? Because the liver converts C8 directly into ketones, bypassing bile insulin digestive enzymes. This rapid conversion boosts thermogenesis, meaning you burn more calories at rest, you mobilize stored fat appetite, reduces naturally too. C8 reduces hunger and cravings, ketones from C8 suppress. Ghrelin, hunger hormone, insulin spikes, sugar cravings, emotional eating. That is why people doing OMAD, intermittent fasting, no dinner protocol, early dinner lifestyle, find it much easier with C8. 3. C8 improves insulin sensitivity. This is very important because insulin resistance equals weight gain. Correct insulin resistance equals weight loss. C8 improves insulin function in 3 ways. 1. Increases ketone availability, reduces glucose demand. 2. Reduces liver fat, improves insulin signaling. 3. Supports mitochondria, improves metabolic flexibility. This is why diabetics and prediabetics benefit from C8. Section 3. C8 and cardiovascular health. 1. Improves endothelial function. Healthy endothelial cells produce nitric oxide, NO, which relaxes blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, prevents clotting, improves circulation. C8 improves endothelial NO production by lowering inflammation, supporting mitochondrial energy in vessel walls, reducing blood sugar spikes. This complements deep breathing, walking, meditation, OM chanting, hydrogen, and red light. 2. Reduces triglycerides and liver fat. High triglycerides and fatty liver are central to heart disease. C8 helps by converting liver fat into ketones, reducing VLDL production, improving fat oxidation, reducing hepatic inflammation. This is clinically proven. 3. Lowers inflammation, the heart's silent killer. Chronic inflammation stiffens arteries. C8 reduces inflammatory markers by improving mitochondrial efficiency, lowering oxidative stress, reducing excess glucose metabolism, supporting gut microbiome. Reduced inflammation equals better heart health. Section 4. Comparison with other fats. Not all fats are equal. Fat type ketone production, weight loss, brain benefit, heart benefit. C8 MCT C10 coconut oil, olive oil, none ghee, none. C8 stands alone in ketone intensity and brain activation. Section 5. Effectiveness. What people really experience. Most people feel within 10 to 15 minutes, more mental clarity, sharpness, clean energy without jitters, lower appetite, improved focus, better mood. In 1 to 3 weeks, weight starts reducing. Fasting becomes easy. BP stabilizes, energy improves. In 2 to 3 months, lower visceral fat, improved blood sugar, reduced liver enzymes, improved HDL, better cardiovascular markers. Section 6. How to use C8. Safely recommended dose. Start with 1 teaspoon, gradually increase to 1 tablespoon. Best timings. 1 morning empty stomach for brain energy and metabolism. 2 during fasting window for hunger control. 3 before study work for mental clarity. Combine with olive oil. Chia seeds, beetroot juice, coffee, green tea smoothies. Avoid high sugar foods. Taking too much immediately can cause stomach upset. Section 7. Who benefits the most? People above 40 students. People with brain fog, high BP, fatty liver, prediabetes, diabetes. Overweight individuals. People doing meditation. People doing Vilite, Mendy heart patients with medical supervision. Final message. C8 is not just a fat, it is a fuel. C8 is scientifically proven to energize the brain, activate fat metabolism, improve cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, heal the liver, support fasting, improve cognitive performance. It is nature's cleanest, fastest, and most efficient fuel. C8 is not a supplement, it is a metabolic switch. It changes the way the body produces energy from slow, glucose-dependent metabolism to clean, powerful mitochondrial metabolism. Before you leave, remember this. Your body is not weak. Your mind is not aging. Your metabolism is not failing. It simply needs the right fuel, the right signals, and the right environment to come back to life. Energy can be restored, brain clarity can return, weight can normalize, the liver can heal, the heart can become strong again. Your cells are not waiting for medicine. They are waiting for you to give them the conditions to heal themselves. And the science is clear. When you support your mitochondria, your insulin, your circulation, and your inflammation, your entire biology begins to shift, not gradually, but dramatically. C8 MCT oil is not a magic cure. It is a metabolic switch that reactivates the dormant intelligence of your body, the intelligence you were born with. So take one small step today. Give your brain cleaner energy. Give your body a chance to burn fat naturally. Give your heart and liver the environment they deserve, and watch your health transform from the inside out. Your healing is already waiting. All you need to do is begin. Activate fat metabolism, improve cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, heal the liver, support fasting, improve cognitive performance. It is nature's cleanest, fastest, and most efficient fuel. C8 is not a supplement. It is a metabolic switch. It changes the way the body produces energy, from slow glucose-dependent metabolism to clean, powerful mitochondrial metabolism. Thank you. Holistic Wellness Foundation, IMFAL. Healing beyond boundaries.